The fact that since 1966 the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has been facing a certain level of notification. It's part of those list of organizations with whom civil servants or government employees were banned from associating with directly in all its activities and engagements. That notification today, that's put out by the government of India, takes RSS out of that list. And now civil servants can or government employees can directly engage in the RSS and its activities. Clearly the opposition taking umbrage to this. But why the furor and what's the reason behind this? Let's try and understand that. Rakesh Sinha, Adil Hassan with us. Namaste and Jai Hind to the gentlemen. Thank you very, very much. Rakesh Sinha ji, the RSS has welcomed this move. But why has it happened 11 years after the Modi Sarkar?
You know, the government was formed in 2014, and the priority of the government is not the whether the government employees should come in the RSS Shakha or not, because the government meant by the RSS Swayamsevaks, they are dedicated to the development of the nation. You know, the 1800 colonial laws have been removed. These laws were framed in 18th century, 19th century by the British regime. These laws continued in the Nehruvian and the Nehruvian era. This Modi era is free from the colonial laws. Now this very law rule was challenged in the court, and it is in due process the government has removed the ban on the government employees participating in the RSS activities. But the core question is that whether RSS is political or not political. This is the core question, and I am responding that question is that it is a secular fundamentalism which imposed a narrative, anti-RSS narrative in the discourse of the Indian nation, and that discourse has been perpetuated by the Nehruvian and Marxist, and it has been framed that RSS is political organization. My basic question is that the organization which has been working in 1,70,000 projects among the poor and downtrodden people in tribal area, Dalit area, marginalized people, urban poor, rural poor, tribal poor. Secondly, this organization RSS has more than 36 affiliates, and these affiliates have one ideological leaning. That ideological leaning is the nation first. The culture the RSS opponents understand is a jhal manjira bajane wala sangathan. RSS takes a culture in a broader perspective. Its horizon of the culture is larger than they understand. This is creating consciousness among the people. Right. That consciousness is a consciousness of nationalism, consciousness of humanity, and consciousness of diversity. Okay. These consciousness is being contested by the Nehruvian and Marxist people. That's why they consider RSS as a political organization. Last one line. Because RSS, just one sentence. Because RSS participated in anti-emergency movement for sake of democracy. RSS participate for the banning the cow slaughter. Against the cow slaughter movement. RSS participated for the reconstruction of a Ram temple. All these things are related to democracy and liberalism and culture of the country. It cannot be bracketed as a political.
As a political, it was a 1964 clause that was invoked, which considered the RSS as a political organization, and that's why the 1966 ban on RSS was included in that list. Adil Hassan, where do you stand?
Our stand is clear. We object the decision of the present government. I want to know what Mr. Nitish, Mr. Naidu, Mr. Jain stand is on this, and my senior panelist Rakesh Sinha is telling RSS works in Dalits, tribal. Then why not a Sangh Pramukh from Dalit community, from tribal community, from backward community, from OBC community? Never no woman reputation. I know when the Manmohan Singh government was there, RSS was opposing FDI. Now in the Modi government, 100% FDI is allowed in national, in international, in defense also. Never RSS object on this. RSS never talks about employment. RSS talks about why Ajit Pawar is inducted in Mahayuti, but RSS don't have guts to make him out. The RSS don't have guts to talk on corruption because they are all getting benefited by the government. Sangh Parmus is benefited by Jet Plus Suraksha. All the RSS top bearers are getting the best security from the government. They are enjoying the facility now because BJP know that RSS is not happy with that. तो मालिक को खुश करने के लिए कुछ किया जा रहा है. आरएसएस ने संविधान को नहीं माना, तिरंगा को नहीं माना, 52 साल अब तिरंगा को नहीं फहराया. इनका कोई हिसाब किताब नहीं है, एफसीआरए नहीं है, कोई फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री में इनका लेखा जोखा नहीं है, ना होम मिनिस्ट्री में लेखा जोखा है. अपने आप को कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहते हैं तो भाई हिसाब किताब देने में आपको क्यों दिक्कत होती है? आप मामला क्यों नहीं साफ रखते? आप बताइए कि करोड़ों की संपत्ति आपने कहां से अर्जित की, आप इतनी जो शाखाएं बनाए, बिल्डिंग बनाए, कहां से लाए? बाकी देश में कोई भी अगर इंस्टीट्यूशन, कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसको देना पड़ता है हिसाब. आरएसएस से पूछ लीजिए कि कोई भी हिसाब होम मिनिस्ट्री के पास है. आरटीआई से हम जानना चाहते हैं कि बतलाए आरएसएस कितना करोड़ रुपया किससे चंदा लिया, क्या फॉरेन फंडिंग क्या है, नेशनल फंडिंग क्या है, डोमेस्टिक फंडिंग क्या है, आरएसएस चलती कैसे है, करोड़ों अरबों का ट्रांजैक्शन कैसे होता है, ये तो आप कुछ नहीं बनाते हैं. एफडीआई का मनमोहन सिंह में विरोध करते हैं, मोदी सरकार में आपकी चुप्पी साधती है. रोजगार पे नहीं बोलते हैं, चाइना पर आप कुछ नहीं बोले, मणिपुर पर मोहन भागवत साहब 1 साल पर बोले. उन्होंने ये चलिए अच्छी बात, उन्होंने मोहन भागवत जी ने एक बात कही कि लोग अपने आप को नेचुरली बॉन्ड समझता है, तो उस बात पे उन्होंने कहा कि कोई अपने आप को भगवान रूपी नहीं समझे. आरएसएस को सरदार पटेल ने बैन किया था, संविधान को नहीं मानने पे बैन किया था. आरएसएस ने लिख के दिया कि हम संविधान को मानेंगे, तिरंगा को मानेंगे, देश के कानून को मानेंगे, तब उसका बैन आता था. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने क्यों नहीं हटाया? मोदी सरकार को 10 साल तक क्यों याद नहीं आया?
ये जो प्रश्न, आदिल जी,
कुंभकर्ण की नींद है, कुंभकर्ण की नींद टूटी क्या? बोलिए कि अपने मालिक को खुश करना चाहते हैं.
आपके 4-5 प्रश्न हैं, इसका मैं थोड़ा सा उसको प्रेसी कर देता हूं, और ताकि पहला आपका ये है कि पिछले 15 साल एनडीए की सरकार रही है अंडर वाजपेयी जी एंड ऑल्सो मोदी जी, तब क्यों नहीं हटवाया, अभी क्यों हटाया? सेकंड, दैट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आरएसएस एंड द बीजेपी, तो आरएसएस को मनाने के लिए ये कदम उठाया गया. दैट्स द सेकंड पार्ट. The third part is that RSS is a political organization because it talks on all issues politics, it meddles in all issues politics, it is also benefiting from the current government, and so how is it not a political organization? Third part. Fourth part, that Sardar Patel actually challenged the RSS and wanted it banned because it was not following the constitution. Did he do that, or did he want the RSS to have a constitution of its own? So that is something Mr. Rakesh Sinha has to clarify.
And finance.
हाँ, पैसा कहाँ से पैसा आ रहा है, इसका कोई ऑडिट नहीं है, एफसीआरए से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. So all of this has been, these are 5 points. राकेश सिन्हा जी, प्लीज आंसर. एंड आपने तिरंगा नहीं फहराया सर, 50 साल आपने तिरंगा नहीं फहराया.
किसी ओबीसी दलित महिला,
ओबीसी दलित, so that is the
सेवेंथ, क्यों नहीं बनाया?
सेवेंथ
की बात करते हैं, क्यों नहीं?
सेवेंथ, ओके, लेट हिम गो.
दलित को, ट्राइबल को, महिला को.
चलो, पॉइंट नोटेड. 7 क्वेश्चंस. राकेश सिन्हा जी, गो अहेड.
There is a limit of ignorance, and I think this is a wishful and willful ignorance of the panelists, that he is questioning something which is untenable and undesirable. If he does not know RSS, when he comes to this debate, he must understand. If I will speak on Muslim League, if I will speak on Communist Party of India, I must have some basic knowledge of these parties. I cannot come.
Please explain, Mr. Sinha. Please explain.
Okay, let him answer.
Just I am answering your question. That it's not a question of difference between the RSS and BJP. RSS does its own work, and RSS is so much busy with his work that he does not meddle into politics. This question was raised in Rajya Sabha in 1960s when Y.B. Chauhan was the Home Minister. The RSS passed a resolution on Kutch, that of Pakistan intervention. Then the Congress member and Communist Party members said that it is a political resolution. And Dattopan Thengri was a RSS member who was representing.
My point is simple.
He is trying to say how they have never been.
He raised a very fundamental question that talking about the national integration, talking about the economic well-being, is it political? Then do you expect a cultural organization to remain
why not you are talking about China? Why RSS not talking about China?
Second, then I think this person must read something You are
Yes,
you
sir.
got a very good chance in a channel which millions of people see. Watch this
Yes,
channel,
sir. Please
and you are
explain
coming
my
China.
answer.
Acha.
RSS, go and see the RSS website.
Why not you
RSS,
asking Modi government
RSS
of
spoke
China?
not
Subramanian
once.
अच्छा नहीं नहीं
Copy,
Adil Hassan,
copy.
Adil Hassan, don't heckle.
R-
Your question was कि RSS ने
Adil
तिरंगा
Hassan,
नहीं फहराया.
Adil Hassan,
RSS ने तिरंगा नहीं फहराया 50 साल. बोलिए.
RSS is the one organization which was the first one. Adil Hassan's problem is that he does not accept the reality of
Sir,
Pakistan.
please answer, sir. Sir, please
RSS
answer
was the
my
organization.
question.
I am asking you, the millions of people who demanded Pakistan, they stayed in India. Those who didn't demand Pakistan, they went
I
Pakistan.
am not
This
the
is the
supporter of
fundamental
Pakistan.
question.
I
RSS
never
is-
visited
I-
Pakistan. I
No,
categorically
I'm not.
reject the Jinnah
I'm
story.
not questioning. I'm not questioning your integrity. I'm questioning that RSS is talking about the nationalism,
That was the biggest
which is
blunder. The
inclusive.
partition of
If
India
you
was
are
the
you
biggest
belong to
blunder.
this nation,
Is
your
there-
religion,
No, no.
your religion should not.
Rakesh Sinha ji,
Your religion,
Rakesh Sinha ji,
your
Rakesh
religion
Sinha
should
ji,
not be
Rakesh
precondition
Sinha
for
ji,
nationalism
Rakesh
and
Sinha ji,
constitutionalism.
Rakesh Sinha ji, this allegation
Yes.
that the RSS did not fly the tricolor for 52 years, is it true? Along with the fact that the left till date
This is-
does not hold the tricolor in its own office, but that's all right. But the RSS did not fly the tricolor for 52 years. Is that true?
No, those who know RSS, they don't know that RSS always celebrates the National Integration Day, Akhandata Divas. On in that day, the tricolor is worshipped. In 1930s, when Congress accepted in Lahore Congress the full independence of the country.
Be specific, Mr. Sinha,
RSS
please.
celebrated in Sakha and worshipped the Sakha. So that
Anand
does not
sir,
arise.
please ask-
Every
Okay, so
organization
you're
wants
saying
that.
you're saying the
Every-
allegation of that the Tiranga was not flown in Nagpur at the headquarters is false. Second question.
It is
Second question.
unfounded.
It is unfounded. It is unfounded. Okay.
RSS has respect for the tricolor. We accept as a national
Everybody
flag.
has respect
Okay,
for the
second.
tricolor.
Was the RSS banned
Se-
because
sec-
it refused
second question.
to refused to
Yes.
accept the Samvidhan, or it did not have a Samvidhan of its own? Because
RSS
every
talked
organization is
about
supposed to have
Hindu
its own constitution.
No, RSS.
No, no. Hindu Rashtra, so
It-
this
it
country was
was
formed on
no
Hindustan and
effort to-
Pakistan. That's different.
No,
Their
please.
definition of Hindu is like
It
of
was-
Veer
it
Savarkar.
was-
Adil Hassan,
India is a secular
no.
country.
Their definition of Hindu was
No.
based on Veer Savarkar, despite him being of the Vishwa Hindu
We are
Parishad.
talking about
His
Samvidhan
definition.
of Baba Saheb
No.
Ambedkar.
The
You know-
Samvidhan.
you
No.
know,
One
they-
minute.
on Samvidhan.
तथ्य पर जाओगे सर आदिल हसन. संविधान ऑफ बाबा साहब भीमराव रामजी
आप पूछिए,
अंबेडकर
मेरा
did not
सात
have the
सवाल-
name
मेरा
secular.
सात सवाल का पूछिए आप।
उसमें तो
मेरा
सेक्युलर
पूछिए
था ही
फाइनेंस के
नहीं.
मामले
उसमें तो
में।
सेक्युलर था ही नहीं.
नहीं,
तो आप गलत बोल रहे हैं.
Just I am
बाबा
answering.
साहब भीमराव रामजी
हाँ,
अंबेडकर के
पूछिए।
संविधान में सेक्युलर शब्द था ही नहीं. तो आप झूठ मत
सर,
बोलिए.
उन्हीं
आप
का
गलत मत
संविधान
बोलिए.
है।
आप
उन्हीं
गलत
का
नहीं.
RSS का
उनके
संविधान
संविधान
है, देश का
उनके
संविधान है।
देश
ये
के
RSS से
1
ऊपर
मिनट
है।
आदिल हसन 1 मिनट आदिल हसन.
ये RSS से
मैं-
ऊपर
नहीं
है,
1
सर।
मिनट आदिल हसन. आपके सवाल मैं
मैं-
पूछूंगा लेकिन आप गलत बयानी मत कीजिए.
नहीं, मैं गलत बयानी नहीं कर रहा हूं।
क्योंकि
मैं
सेक्युलर शब्द
सच्चाई बोल रहा हूं।
1976 में देश इमरजेंसी में था, तब इंक्लूड हुआ था. बाबा साहब
तब
भीमराव
क्या?
रामजी
बाबा
अंबेडकर के
साहब
संविधान में
अम्बेडकर ने
सेक्युलर
हिंदू
था ही
राष्ट्र लिखा था क्या?
नहीं. नहीं,
बाबा
उन्होंने
साहब
सेक्युलर
अम्बेडकर
लिखा ही नहीं
ने
था
हिंदू
सर.
राष्ट्र लिखा था
उन्होंने
क्या?
सॉवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया
क्या
लिखा
हिंदू राष्ट्र लिखा
था.
था क्या?
सॉवरेन डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ
पटेल ने
इंडिया.
क्या कहा
हमारे
था RSS के
संविधान में
बारे में?
कहीं भी हिंदू राष्ट्र लिखा नहीं है. लेकिन
नहीं
इस
लिखा
देश का
था,
विभाजन
नहीं लिखा
हिंदुस्तान
था।
और
मैं-
पाकिस्तान में
अगर-
हुआ था
ये-
और वो
मैं-
धर्म के
मैं
नाम पे हुआ था.
पाकिस्तान के चोरी को
बट
reject
राकेश सिन्हा
करता हूं.
कमिंग
I
बैक.
reject
I'm
Hindu
running out of
theory.
time. Rakesh Sinha.
You
Rakesh
answer
Sinha.
my
No.
question,
No. You are
मैं-
stating
मैं-
falsehoods. 1 minute.
My
मैं-
all seven
One
actions,
minute,
please.
Rakesh Sinha. My
मैं-
simple
मैं-
question,
मैं-
sir. If this was so,
I-
if it was so factually wrong, why did it not? This ban, this notification was not lifted during the time of Mr. Vajpayee, and since 2014 to 2024, why was this not done? The fact that the government was busy doing
Look,
other
this is
things
not-
and they
this
found
is-
time to
this-
do it now is somehow not palatable, sir.
No, this is, this is not so
What
much
about
important
finance?
question that RSS has emphasized or the government has emphasized. This is a normal course. We found that this is
Sir.
outdated and this is undemocratic.
Okay.
But one last thing that Hindu represents diversities.
Right.
And,
Sir,
and
I have to-
Semitic religions like Islam and Christianity.
why
and-
not?
No.
And
I have.
can
That's
be
a
a
different
different-
discussion for another day.
authoritarian
Different discussion for
uniformity.
another day. I have to
Why not
wind
the
up. I have to wind
chairman
up.
of the
But
Sangat
only one thing, ladies and gentlemen, as we wind up. No matter what any organization says for anybody, the word secular was not part
Everybody
of
knows.
the
You are
original
fine,
constitution
Dalit
of
and
Bharat.
Sangat
It was not something that was endorsed by Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. And that's for sure. There's no doubt about that. Thank you for watching. Brass Tacks follows.